Yo, what's up everybody, and welcome back to our channel One to Step. We are back with another brand new video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can block and unblock someone on TikTok. So blocking feature in TikTok, just like in other app like Instagram and Facebook, works in a similar way. If you block somebody, they cannot send you message and they cannot view your profile as well. So let's say you posted anything, if the person is blocked, they can't see what you have posted. All right, so that's what blocking does. But if you unblock them, then they can send you message and they can watch your video again. All right, so let me show you guys how you guys can block and unblock someone on TikTok. So before I show you the steps, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step. Let's move on. So I go on the random person's account over here, and if I want to block them, I can click on the three dot at the top right corner of my screen, and I can see the block option at the bottom. I click on block and I click on versus block over here, and she has been blocked, as you guys can see. If I want to unblock her, I can come to her profile and click on unblock. But there's the other way as well how you guys can unblock somebody. What you can do is go on your profile at the bottom and click on the three line at the top and go on setting and privacy and go on versus privacy over here and scroll all the way down, and you can see blocked accounts option. Click on blocked accounts option and all the account you have blocked is going to be shown over here. And you can see the unblock option right beside their name. You click on unblock and their account will be unblocked just like this. So yeah, that's how you guys can block and unblock someone on TikTok. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.